Mind is a very important feature of human body. Very important organ, brain. But that quality brain, the most important part of human body is brain. Brain, and in brain, the integral part of brain is mind. What is this mind? No one knows. किसी को नहीं पता आज तक. मतलब स्पेसिफिकली कोई, there is no way to demonstrate specifically that this is mind. कल साइकिल चलाए 50 किलोमीटर, आज चलाएंगे. प्रिकॉशन रखो, प्रिकॉशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट किसी चीज को, नेगेटिव चीज को अपने मन में मत जाने दो. पूरी लड़ाई. आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू ऑलमाइटी दैट आई अंडरस्टूड ओनली वन थिंग इन लाइफ, माइंड. भाई साहब जो विचार बैठे बैठे फेंक देगा ऐसे, तुमको कोरोना हो गया, ऐसा हो जाएगा, वैसा हो जाएगा. एंड मजेदार, एंड आई टेल यू 99% डेथ takes place because of mind. Because whenever your mind goes in a negative mode, then the medicine does not affect. और एक बात, whenever your mind will go in negative mode, the medicine will not affect. Even if you drink ambrosia, amrit, nectar, and pranayam is not a physical exercise. The sound of breathing should not come. This you should keep in mind. Whether you do for 1 minute, the sound of breathing, sound is coming, sound should not come. Except Brahmari, the sound should not come. And when you are taking the breath, watch from here. You have closed the eyes, watch from here. And conscious can heal death. Conscious can heal death. 99% people don't know conscious. What is conscious? Conscious can heal death. There is a need of the hour to be cautious. Don't get panicked. चलो दिलदार चले, चांद के पार चले, हम हैं तैयार चले.